BTS Batangas, this is MV Precision, call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta, over. MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas, please switch to channel 12 for further communication, over. MV Precision, switching to channel 12. BTS Batangas, this is MV Precision, switch on channel 12, over. MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas, what is your estimated time of arrival? BTS Batangas, this is MV Precision, my ETA is 0800 hours on 30 October 2023. MV Precision, this BTS Batangas, what is your current draft, over. My current draft is 12.3 meters, over. MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas, how many persons do you have on board and what is your gross tonnage, over. BTS Batangas, this is my Precision, I have 34 persons on board with a gross tonnage of 23.210 metric tons, over. MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas, what type of cargo do you have and its total cargo weight, over. BTS Batangas, this is MV Precision, the type of cargo I have is iron ore, with a total cargo weight of 12.304 metric tons, over. MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas, do you carry any dangerous goods on board, over. BTS Batangas, this is MV Precision, yes, I am carrying dangerous goods on board with 2.5 liters of IMDG class 3 point, over. MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas, where is your port of destination, over. BTS Batangas, this is MV Precision, my port of destination is Batangas Port Terminal, over. MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas, your message is understood. You must call when you pass Verde Island on channel 16, over. BTS Batangas, this is MV Precision, I will call you after I pass Verde Island on channel 16, over. MV Precision, standby on channel 16, over. BTS Batangas, I will stand by on channel 16, over and out.